The Environment and Land Court in Machakos has declined to stop the Mavoko land evictions, stating that the applicants had no right over the land since all proof shows that it belongs to the East African Portland Cement Company. The Aimi Malu Kenya Society and other interested parties had sought orders to stop the evictions and demolitions on the disputed Portland Cement land. Meanwhile, Lands Cabinet Secretary Alice Wahome wants all those occupying government land to vacate immediately, adding that Aimi Malu Kenya Society must compensate the Mavoko evictees without fail. NTV's Sydney Chazima begins our coverage tonight.
There will be no reprieve for the Mavoko land evictees. The Environment and Land Court in Machakos has declined to stop the ongoing evictions and demolitions.
Article 40, sub-article 6 of the Constitution limits constitutional protection to property that is lawfully acquired. That provision is expounded in Section 26 of the Land Registration Act, which removes legal protection from a title obtained by fraud, misrepresentation, illegality, want of procedure, or through a corrupt scheme. In
her ruling, Lady Justice Annette Nyukuri adds that the applicants did not file the case with clean hands.
Where there are two titles, and at the preliminary application, there is no reasonable evidence as to the authenticity on the two titles. It is only fair to preserve the suit property. The first respondent attached a forensic report to show that entry number 7 in the plaintiff's title was a forgery. They also availed evidence from the registrar of societies to show that the plaintiff was registered as a society on 25th September 2014 and that therefore they were not in existence in 2019 when they purported to have purchased the suit property from the first respondent.
The Aimi Malu Kenya Society, the alleged seller of the land, among other interested parties, had sought the orders to stop the demolitions, arguing that the 9th October ruling that pronounced that the land belonged to the EAPC didn't give orders to demolish or evict.
We're talking about people's lives and a complete derogation, destruction of livelihoods. This is a matter that my learned colleagues, for the defendants, may probably not even have taken notice.
Meanwhile, Lands Cabinet Secretary Alice Wahome has confirmed that the ministry is in possession of the documents of the disputed Mavoko land.
In respect of that land, which is LR number or land reference number 10424, be registered in the name of East African Portland Cement Company Limited. Any other documents out there purported to be held in respect of the said land, whether by way of subdivision, by original title, by transfer, or those other land documents which are out there, and we have seen them being circulated, do not emanate from this office.
Wahome has sent a message to the country warning all parties currently occupying government land to vacate, putting on notice shadowy individuals who are duping Kenyans with fake land deals.
We'll cooperate and work with the investigating officers to get to the root, bottom of this particular unfortunate incidents where obviously innocent Kenyans may have fallen into prey, into the hands of conmen, fraudsters who should be behind bars.
More than 20 homes have so far been flattened, rendering hundreds of families homeless. With this new ruling, more and more are set to be evicted to pave way for what the government termed as the expansion of the EPZ zone. Sydney Chazima, NTV.